So, welcome children once again in this session where we are studying about Java computer applications, classes 9th and 10th children. Now today children we are going to tell you about comments in Java programs. So children, you are writing Java program. So when a program code is written, many times a lay person or a person who is even a programmer wants to know what this program is written about. So what we do, we write some comments. These are like remarks in the program which we write at various places in the program, and these remarks we write in such a way that any person after reading these remarks comes to know what this program is doing. And children, when these comments line are there, when the program executes these statements, it leaves these comment lines. So these comment lines are not executed by the program. But children, these comment lines are very important part of a program in order to know what the program is doing. So children, we add comments in the program, and there are three ways to add comments in the program. First is children, single line comment. So children, single line comment means a comment which you are going to write in one single line, and it is written by starting your remark with these two signs like this. So children, when we write our comment lines like this, say we are writing a program. At present we don't know how to write a program. Say I write a program, say class ABC. This is the first line I normally write in my program, and I want to tell what this program is doing. So I can put a sign over here. That is a single line comment, and children, I can write anything. Say I am doing this program to calculate area of circle. So I can write over here, to calculate area of circle. Now children, when the computer is going to execute this line, it is going to execute this class ABC. That is the part of the Java program. But after seeing this comment line, it is going to ignore anything written here. So children, whatever you have written here is for the programmer or for the lay person. After seeing this program, I will come to know. And I can put these comment lines at any places. So I can define that here I am inputting my data, here I am calculating the area, I am entered the radius of a circle, here I am printing out the circle, the area of a circle. So if it is a big program, you can add comments to your program, and many times you will see in the book also these comment lines are added. Now children, sometimes these comment lines do not fit in one line. So you have to write it in more than one line. So there are other ways also of writing multiple line comments, and the second way of doing it is multi-line comment. So single line comment, now multi-line comment. Now children, multi-line comment will start with this symbol, a slash and a asterisk, and here you can write your comment children in 2 or 3 lines. Multi-line means 2, 3, 4 lines you can write. So whatever this information you want to give, it is not fitting in one line. You need 2 lines or more than 1 line. You can write it as multi-line comment, and a multi-line comment starts with slash and star, and it ends also. Here there is no ending, but here it ends also because it is in more than 1 line. Now children, if your comment is in more than multi-line, or it is more than 2, 3 lines, you want to explain your comment in about, say, as a paragraph or as 5, 6 lines, then we have a third type of comment, and it is called as documentation or document comment. Document comment, where you are writing your comments or where you are writing your remarks as a paragraph. You are explaining the process, or you are explaining about your program in, say, many lines, and you write it. And the children, way of doing it is you put a slash and you put 2 asterisks. Here we were putting 1 asterisk, and then you start writing your comment over here, and you can write it any number of lines, and then to end it, you again end it with asterisk and slash. The ending over here are same in multi-line and document comment, but the starting is, here we have single asterisk, but here it is having double asterisk. So children, these comment lines will be using in programs, and even in the board exam, in the paper come, it asks you to explain your program, to explain the logic, the mnemonic codes of the program, and that we normally do by writing these comment lines. So many times we see that comment lines are given. So one more thing, comments are just remarks in the program. They are non-executable program. They are for the user or for the layperson to know what this part of the program is doing. And we write our comment, and the compiler does not execute these comments. These comments can be written in three ways: as single line comment, and that we begin with this symbol, 2 slashes together. Then it is a multi-line comment, which we can write our comment in 2 to 3 lines. And if you want it in a document way, then we have a document comment. Or here we can use many lines together to explain the documentation of the program. The computer is not going to see these lines, not going to compile them, not going to execute them. This is for just the remark which we are giving. So children, here we have completed comments in Java. I hope you have followed the comments in Java section part also. And children, very soon we are going to start with programming. So please go through these videos. Whatever we have done till now will all be required in programming. So thank you very much.